Hey, my beautiful friends, Christine Trainer talking to you live from New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada. Sorry, I'm having some issues here trying to get this in order before it flops over. I'm having a really interesting day, a rather unusual day, guys. I tell you why. Something occurred with me today, and it always happens when you're a marketer. You're going to get people that love you so much they want you in their Facebook page. They want your photo and picture. But I digress. Let me read one thing because it's kind of my theme for today, because these are my thoughts today as I figure I want to share something with you guys. So I tell you what, if you're tuning in, let me know where you're tuning in from, or if you see if it's replay or hashtag replay. But I want to share something with you today, and I think you all your online marketers out there probably get the same issue. But I'm going to share a quote, okay? Why this is my theme today. Never be ashamed of yourself. Be proud of who you are, and don't worry about how people see you. Exactly, guys. I have encountered a few interesting things this past couple of years, especially this past 6 months, as I'm an online marketer. And I've gathered some wonderful followers, and my engagement is growing this past 2 months. But I'm going to give you a short little skinny, basically what happens when you become a marketer and you gather a beautiful engagement. And it's kind of I'm not holding a grudge here. I'm just sharing you a story that I'm hoping you, as my wonderful friends in online marketing, can help me on this as well. I'm going to share you something else. What's happening tomorrow? But anyways, let's carry on, my lovely friends. Let me share with you what is making me steamed up but excited and understanding why this happens. I don't hold grudges. I forgive. But sometimes you got to report. And you know, when somebody decides to be you and put your picture on their page, it can make you mad, but it can also realize you want to reach out to them, share with them your knowledge and how you're getting better engagement where they don't have to do that. And I'm going to share with you this person named Martha Hennigan. A friend of mine today sent me a message, okay, and they said to me, is this your page? Because this person was trying to be my friend, wanted to message her and become her friend, basically. This person named Martha Hennigan, that is who she is. So she said, is this who you are? And she shared me her page. I kid you not, this is what her page looked like. Martha Hennigan, and that's me. And I kid you not, the whole page is, well, except for the top one, it's all me. All the stuff I've done. All the stuff I've done, guys. So if you see this Martha Hennigan, and you know it's not me, you can either report her, or you can help her in some way to basically report her, guys, because she's doing it wrong. She's kind of screwing things up on me. Pictures for me from Christmas time. This particular quote I did around Christmas, it's amazing. Or this one with me, which used to be my page, all me. And this is the person named Martha Hennigan. I was about 15 of my pictures. She stole my pictures. She stole my page. Okay, that's who she is, Martha Hennigan. Martha Hennigan, and she stole it, guys. Now I feel I'm not holding grudge. I forgive her for doing this, because I tell you why. Because sometimes when you're an online marketer, you're going to get that. You're going to get that totally, because this person isn't getting enough engagement out of their page, or they're pissed off at you. Whatever the case may be, they might be mad at you for not becoming their friends. Whatever it is, they want what you have. They want your engagement, your following, right? And so I thought today this would be a good example of sharing how we could be ourselves and who we are, and be loving ourselves. I had to report her because this is false. She's portraying me, but having her name on it. So you guys, if you see her, report. And I'm sharing this because I want to send out a message to you, Martha Hennigan. If you want new engagement on your page, if you're starting an online business and you figure I'm the way, I'm not. You have to be yourself, use your own pictures and your own page. If you want some help, send me a message. I'll share with you what I'm doing right now to get more engagement on my page, where I'm starting to earn consistently. In this program I'm on right now, that's doing phenomenally well. And I'm excited for this page, for this program, because I'm learning to be myself and who I am, and sharing myself to the world. Because you yourself, Martha Hennigan, shouldn't do this, because you're screwing up my algorithm, you're screwing up your algorithm, and you're going to get yourself into trouble. Why do that? Why not be yourself and who you are? I've encountered this a couple other times where person decided to be me and my name, and I had to report. And I hate doing that, but these people have to learn that you are who you are, right? I worked 2 years darn hard, and this past 2 months darn hard, to share people who I am every day. And I am a beautiful human being 3 times over. And so she probably is. But she thought either she doesn't like me, or she thought I'm going to use her pictures because they're awesome. So please, guys, if you see this person, just report her. I don't mean to do it, but she's got to be stopped. And if she wants some help, maybe that's because that's not me. You've seen my page. It's Christine Nordquist Trainer, and it's a totally different page. Totally different than this, right? But this is Martha Hennigan pretending to be me because she wants what I have. And that's fine. I understand that. And I forgive her totally because I'm not here to hold grudges. But I'm also here to say, if you want help on engagement or following, do it the right way. If you're starting a business, don't use somebody else's pictures and who they are. Reach out and find out what that person is doing. And right now, I'm in an excellent program. Shall we say, an honestly phenomenal task-based program that helps us brand ourselves as well as we get paid consistently with earning and learning. I tell you guys, I'm inviting everybody to pop on over I invite you to a beautiful webinar talking about this beautiful program on tomorrow night, Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern time, guys. And I say 7 p.m. Eastern time. It's going to be a phenomenal platform with our leader, and the PowerPoint presentation is amazing. It shows exactly what we do in this beautiful program, how we get great engagement, how we're earning online very well and very quickly, consistently. Some of our members are brand new newbies. It's a newbie program. It's newbie friendly, and they're earning. And they're earning because they're taking the trainings, they're doing the tasks, and they're earning while they're learning. And that's all part of working on Facebook or working in social media when you do it the right way. And this program is the right way. So tomorrow night, 7 p.m. Eastern time, I'm inviting you to come with me to this wonderful webinar, and I'll drop the link down below. Be a part of what's going on, the new way to earn and learn on Facebook and really get good engagement. Be yourself, be who you are. Don't be somebody different. So Martha Hennigan, I share this with you too, my lovely dear. Reach out to me. If you want to learn the right way, not the wrong way, be a part of the webinar tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eastern time, and see and hear and find out the beautiful testimonies of people that are earning right now. All the newbies too, when this new word, and those of you, my lovely friends who are marketers and you're having difficulties, this is a beautiful program that is going to help you see the light bulb go off in your head, realizing what you missed and doing really well. So my lovely friends, I share this with you now, and if this Martha Hennigan decides to become your friend, please report it, because that's not who I am. I am Christine Nordquist Trainer, and my page is totally different because it's Christine Nordquist Trainer. Christine Trainer, I do believe, official page. Christine Nordquist Trainer, but Christine Trainer official page. And you know it's different. It's totally different. And the pace is different. Please report this person if she is doing what she's not supposed to do. But I send a helping hand out to her. If you want engagement, if you want to do well, pop on over and check out the webinar tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eastern. You're going to be blown away about this beautiful program that does do as it says. It's helped me an awful lot. I'm earning while I'm learning, and I'm a fairly new newbie. Learning. So my lovely friends, I love you all. Don't forget, if you check this out later or tomorrow, #replay, and tell me where you're tuning in from. I love you, my lovely friends. You're awesome. You're beautiful. You rock my world, you awesome entrepreneurs. Talk to you soon. Bye.